Hey divas, so in today's video I am doing a collab video and I'm super excited about it because it's super creative. So first of all, I'm gonna be collabing with the Tastemaker. She is so super duper pretty. Like, I just really love her style, and just I don't know, like, I just really love her personality. I feel like she's somebody that's really cool to vibe out with. Like, and she's gorgeous on top of that. Like, I'm obsessed with her Instagram, and I will have her Instagram down in the description box below so you guys can get obsessed like me. But yeah, we decided to go ahead and collab together today, and we are going to be doing a takeover. So basically what that is you will see her hair review on this channel in this video right now, and you'll see mine on hers. So we kind of just swapped it out a little bit, which is okay, right? It's okay. If you guys want to see my review, I will definitely have the link in the description box below. But of course, go ahead and watch this one first. But yeah, divas, without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the video.
Baby, don't wanna know what we say in the club. Hey baby, white folks, gangsters in the club. Hey baby, stunning with a stack of them jewels. Hey baby, riding in the lack with a move. Hey baby, I'm in the club hollering. Hey baby.
Okay guys, so this is the wig that I will be reviewing today. It is a turquoise bob, and this is from the company Magic Lace. So that's this company. This wig is from Thetastemaker. They were nice enough to send this over to me quite some time ago, but you know, here I am reviewing the wig, so what are we complaining about? Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull it, pull it out of the packaging as it falls into my lap. Okay, so this is how it looks outside of the packaging. This is a curved part. It comes in a variety of different colors, so that's always a plus. So if you guys aren't into the turquoise color and you like more natural colors, they do have natural colors available in this wig as well. This is iron safe up to 360 degrees, which is just enough for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the wig out of the packaging. As you guys can see, it's a really pretty blue color, and I'm obsessed with it. It is wrapped in a net, so we're just gonna take that off of here and then pull this out. So the wig, this tag is connected inside of here, as you guys can see. So I am going to cut all of that off. The wig is just like falling all over the place. Like, why don't you love me? Damn, I need my scissors. I ain't got my scissors or nothing. Okay, hold up. Hey, we gotta get this thing off of here. We don't got no time. So this is an asymmetrical bob, so one side is shorter than the other. It's looking very shiny. I know that one way to get that shine out is to use dry shampoo, something I do not have, so we're just gonna work with it for now. So this is the wig straight out of the packaging. I am going to show you guys the inside construction of the wig. So this is a lace front wig. However, there is a curved part here. There is a comb here, so this is supposed to be like the top of the head, and this is supposed to be the side. So there is a comb here at the top. There's also a comb here at the bottom. And then it also has the adjustable straps. They did cut it pretty nice from what I'm looking at, just from the back, like you see that whole thing. But I may go in and cut it just a little bit more. And we are going to adjust this part. The parting is not my fave. So you guys can see that parting is not it, honey. It's gonna need some work, boo. Also, one thing that I'm noticing is that some of the blue strands are within the black. I'm not really into that, so I will be darkening up the roots with some black mascara. You can use any black mascara that you have available to you, but I am going to use some black mascara just to make this all dark and then go into the ombre color. So I am also going to go in and pluck the parting. There isn't that much room for much inside of here, so what we're gonna do is I'm going to go around the circumference of the wig. So I'm gonna go inside here on the part, and we're just going to use dabbing motions to cover up the inside of the wig. So now I'm gonna go along the hairline, so all on the lace that we have here. I'm going to continue putting on the foundation. So I'm gonna show you guys again, just all on the inside of the wig. There we go. So that helps it just a little bit, as you guys can see. But that part is gonna have to get plucked, sis. You're gonna have to pluck this part. So a really quick and easy way to pluck your part is to use some kind of like eyebrow razor. So if you have something that you do your eyebrows with, that little razor, that'll work. You can also pull the hairs out. Now, one thing about pulling the hairs out, I will be doing that today, but I will let you guys know, if you guys do plan on pulling the hair out, just know to be very careful, because sometimes what'll happen, if you grab too many at one time, it'll end up ripping a hole in your lace, and then you'll have a big old hole, which we don't want. Okay, so now I have plucked that part. I've definitely widened it up a whole lot more. On this side, I put a little bit of the black mascara, but I'm just gonna show you guys on camera how I do this as well. So you're just gonna go in here. I'll stand up so you guys can see here. And you're going to just drag your mascara wand halfway down. And don't worry about it getting on a couple of the strands, like the longer parts, because you can always fix that later. And this step is optional. If you don't want to do this, you don't have to. But this is just something that I'm doing, so I just want to show you guys exactly how I got the look that I got. Okay? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take an old toothbrush, and then I'm going to brush it so that it's kind of like an ombre effect. And then also it'll help dry out some of those spots. Okay, and I've already done that to this side, so just want to continue to do the same thing to the other side. So this is our new part, okay? So it's still like that ombre effect, but yeah. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut the lace off of here, okay? Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on. Let me see my side is okay. I just needed to see what we're working with here. Okay. So off the top, it looks very costume wiggy. Let me pull the camera up some more for y'all. So yeah, off top, it's looking very costume wiggy. You know what I'm saying? I'm not really feeling that, but I do want it to be over just a little bit more. I'm definitely thinking about cutting this a little bit more, but I do really like the color. That's one thing that I am liking so far. As far as the back, because I do have to have my wig a little bit tighter, it seems like it's like lifting up back here, so I'm not really a big fan of that. But I am going to pull my hair behind my ear real quick just so I can get a better look at the wig and see what it's giving me. As far as this half, I do like the cut on it, but I feel like I definitely want to cut it even more. So I'm going to do a couple of adjustments, and then I'm going to come back. I'm going to go ahead and cut these combs out of here, and then I'm also going to put some foundation on my wig cap and all that, and then I'll be back.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for you. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you.
Only you. Only you.
Suspect that I'll be more than you ever could dream of. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for you. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me.
Only you. 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 Only you.
Okay, so now that we have our tutorial out of the way, let's go ahead and get into all the details about this wig, because I'm sure you guys want to know now where you guys can get it, how much it costs, and all of those types of details. So if you are watching this video outside of the US, I'm happy to let you know that this wig is from Divatress.com and they do ship internationally. So the wig that I am wearing is called the Newborn Free Magic Lace Front Wig. I do have this wig in the style MLC 174. This wig does originally retail for $49.95, but Divatress actually has this unit on sale for $27.95, so basically $28. Divatress does have this wig available in 10 different colors. They have some natural colors, so if you're not really into the bright bold color hair, you can still get this same kind of look in a different color. So they have black, they have brown, they even have a 613 blonde. There is some tangling in this hair. I'm going to be 100% honest with you guys because honesty is key. At the very ends, it does get a little bit tangled, and to me it's kind of just a little bit frustrating, especially here in the front. I'm not really receiving it on this side where it's a little bit shorter, but here in the very front I am receiving some tangling. So if that is something that you're kind of like about, yeah, you're probably not going to want this unit. But I mean, that's kind of expected with synthetic wigs. You have to kind of expect it to have some tangling and some shedding in the wig, but all in all, it's nothing that is really excessive or anything like that. Also, some of you guys want to know whether or not it is small head or big head friendly. I will say this is more so on the small head friendly side. If you do have a larger head, obviously this wig does have adjustable straps, so you can adjust it. One thing that I also liked about this wig is that it feels extremely secure, and I didn't even have to use like my Got2b glue spray to like spray it and like adhere it to my head. I didn't have to use glue or anything like that. I simply just use the straps that the wig comes with. This wig does come with combs. I cut all of them out because I absolutely despise combs, because I feel like they make your wig stick up, especially if you have like a smaller head and you're like adjusting your wig pretty tight. The tighter you adjust it, then you'll have like that little like sticking out in the back. So I will leave a direct link down below to this wig and also a link to their website. Me and GLAMSHAE also created a collaboration playlist showing you guys some of our most popular and our favorite YouTube videos that we have recorded. So if you guys want to check out both of our content, make sure to click on the playlist down below. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you like my video, definitely go to my channel and check it out. Thank you, GLAMSHAE, for allowing me to come on your YouTube channel today to slay a wig, and I thank you as well for going on my YouTube channel to slay a wig for my subbies. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more collaborations with myself and GLAMSHAE, definitely leave a comment down below and give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
Okay, divas, so I hope that you guys have enjoyed this collab video. I know it was super different and you guys were probably expecting something else, but I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. Be sure to go and check out the Tastemaker because she is just like bomb. She slays everything, so definitely go and check her out. Definitely check her out on Instagram as well. I'll have all her information down in the description box below because like she's just bomb, so you guys should definitely follow her. And I really enjoyed doing this collab because it's super different. I've never done a collab like this, and I'm glad she came up with this idea because it's super dope. Anyways, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. If you guys did enjoy this video, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you fabulous divas think. And remember, if you guys want to see this unit, you will have to go over to the Tastemaker's channel. So be sure to go ahead and check out her channel so you guys can see it. I will have everything listed in the description box below once again, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit the notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous fabulous divas in my next video. Bye.